How to emulate a do-while loop. I need to emulate a do-while loop in a Python program. Unfortunately, the following straightforward code does not work. Instead of 1, 2, 3, done, it prints the following output. What can I do in order to catch the stop iteration exception and break a while loop properly? An example of why such a thing may be needed is shown below as pseudocode. State machine.
I am not sure what you are trying to do. You can implement a do-while loop like this. Or, what are you doing trying to use a do-while loop to print the stuff in the list? Why not just use update? So do you have a list of lines? And you want to keep iterating through it? How about? Does that seem like something close to what you would want? With your code example, it would be.
Here's a very simple way to emulate a do-while loop. The key features of a do-while loop are that the loop body always executes at least once, and that the condition is evaluated at the bottom of the loop body. The control structure shown here accomplishes both of these with no need for exceptions or break statements. It does introduce one extra Boolean variable.
My code below might be a useful implementation, highlighting the main difference between do-while versus while as I understand it. So in this one case, you always go through the loop at least once.
You can do a function. But 1. It's ugly. 2. Condition should be a function with one parameter, supposed to be filled by stuff. It's the only reason not to use the classic while loop.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.